Hey everyone. If you want to organize your Discord server professionally in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a clean and structured Discord server. First, plan your server structure properly. Divide everything into categories like info, community, voice, and staff so it stays organized. Next, create only essential channels. I mean, avoid adding too many unnecessary channels that confuse users. Now use a clear naming system. Simple names like rules, announcements, general chat, and support make navigation easier. After that, set up a proper role hierarchy. I mean, roles like admin, moderator, member, and guest should be clearly structured. Next, configure permissions carefully. Only give access to what each role actually needs to prevent confusion. Add bots for automation. I mean, bots can help with moderation, welcome messages, and role assignment automatically. Finally, keep your server visually clean. Use emojis for categories and avoid clutter for a more professional look. So yeah, that's how you organize a Discord server professionally in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your server will look clean, structured, and easy to manage. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides.